On Sunday 30th of July 2023, under the invitation of Hope of Family Management, a consultative meeting was convened to gather input and feedback on the draft 5-year strategic plan that will replace the current one. Hope of Family NGO believes that it is essential to have a well-thought-out and comprehensive plan in place to effectively address the needs of the beneficiaries they serve. The mission of Hope of Family is to reduce extreme family poverty through strong and efficient children education. The experts present at the meeting brought a wealth of knowledge and experience in various fields such as poverty alleviation, education, improving health and nutrition status, communication, institutional development and community development among others. According to the founder and legal representative of Hope of Family, their expertise will be invaluable in shaping the new strategic plan to ensure its effectiveness and success. Muhanga district officials were also invited to provide their insights and perspectives. These leaders have first-hand knowledge of the challenges faced by vulnerable families in the district. According to the Vice Mayor in charge of socio-economic affairs of Muhanga District, it is a prerequisite to ensure that the strategic plan is tailored to meet the specific needs of the communities served by Hope of Family NGO. During the meeting, the experts and local leaders engaged in lively discussions and brainstorming sessions. They shared their ideas, identified potential obstacles, and proposed innovative solutions. This collaborative approach will result in a more comprehensive and well-rounded strategic plan. The new strategic plan will focus on addressing poverty alleviation and improving children education through a multifaceted approach. It will include interventions of providing wraparound support to children in primary school, engaging parents in children's education, eradicating adult illiteracy, youth empowerment, improving family livelihood, institutional development and capacity building of staff. A new strategic plan will prioritize educational support for children, including the provision of scholastic materials, parental involvement, after-school programs, and access to educational resources. Hope of Family NGO is committed to making a significant and lasting impact on vulnerable families and their children. It wants to have families that live a decent life with appropriate and timely involvement in their children's education. The new strategic plan will serve as a roadmap for achieving this goal. By involving experts and local leaders in the planning process, Hope of Family ensures that the plan is comprehensive, realistic, and sustainable.